So now we're gonna start short rows for our heel. So this one, you need to go up, and on the other side up as well. But those at the top you keep how it is. And now we are pulling one needle, and then we're going through. Then on this side, and we're going through. Now, next, and next, 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 and we just a second here something, and this here. So now we need to add a weight because it's creating now this for our heel. So we need to put more weights, and then this move here, and then this move here. So they're like a three, they're gonna pulling down. So we got four on this side, and I need four on this side. And then next. And then next. And here next. And this one, pull down with your finger and push to the front. Now I need to move a little bit the weights. Okay. So I've got on this side 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 7, 2, 4, 6. So that should be equal, but because I don't, so 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 7. I think I'm gonna do, no, that would be, okay, I'm gonna do one more. And on this side. And now we're going back.